Beautiful day here in Ireland. Happy new day to you, beautiful people, beautiful souls. Thanks for joining me. My name's Unfox, living in Ireland, and I'm a dad and I'm a person just like you, visiting and touristing through Earth, learning lessons. And I just want to say that life is hard for everybody. Life can be challenging and difficult for pretty much almost everybody, you know? Like, I remember I'm so much more wise and knowledgeable and experienced now. But I found life to be easier when I was younger, I believe, when I was just doing nothing. I was sort of physically unwell, very unwell to a certain degree. But I had nothing on my plate. I had no responsibilities. Life was pretty simple and basic and straightforward. Whereas these days I'm a daddy, I have a partner, I'm in a 5-year relationship, and I have children and I have responsibilities. I have all sorts of things, you know? And it can be challenging and overwhelming and overbearing. It can be swamping. It can be really, really challenging, to be honest. Yeah, but at the same time, of course, life is very beautiful. But my intention for making this video is to say that you're not alone. Life is really hard and challenging and difficult for almost everybody at various times. So just plug in there. Know this too shall pass. Everything continues and passes and changes. And keep your head high and seek the help, love, and support that you need, be it via friends, family, or helpers or healers, etc. And just keeping the love and the light. Keep trying to work on yourself, like changing your mind, changing your habits, becoming self-aware. That's what I try and help people with: self-awareness and healing. And it's not, I don't try and teach people like about anymore about like raising your vibration. It's more like about feeling your emotions for me now at this stage, and doing the things to stay in balance holistically, so you stay in harmony and wellness, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So we're not like, obviously do the things that make you feel good. That's what raising your vibration is. But don't shy away or dismiss or forget about when you feel like crap, and don't try and escape from that too quickly. That's what raising your vibration might be perceived as. You want to feel like crap if you feel like crap for a while. You want to feel sad and stressed. If you feel sad, if you feel like fearful or anxiety, or if you feel angry, you don't want to like shun those three emotions, the three main emotional elements. You want to fully feel them. And I just wish you a lovely day and all the very best. Tea from Ireland. Lots of love. Thanks for watching this one. Have a beautiful now. Live in the now and get out in nature. That's the last thing I'd probably say. And just try and forgive and let go and move forward as positively as possible. And of course, thanks for everyone who likes, shares, subscribes, and comments over friends on Facebook and other social media. Yeah, all this sort of stuff. And if anyone's interested in my coaching or my herb store, just check it out below as well. You'll see it all in the description.
Know you are loved. Rest in peace. Dream your sweet dreams till your soul is released. Know you are loved. Rest in peace.